So where do we get our depictions from for shoes? Okay, well, we get them obviously from inscriptions and things like that. We get them from statues and things like this. But of course, what Hollywood does is it takes these stylized things, these displays of wealth, and it mass produces them thinking that everybody would wear such styles all the time. It forgets, of course, also about climate. It forgets about circumstances, conditions. It forgets about, fashions change through history. So certain types of boots and shoes are only available in the 1st century. They don't appear in the 2nd and the 3rd century. Styles change. Yeah? We don't see any of that from Hollywood. We just get this open sandal, sometimes with a foot, very often not without even a sock in it, which is highly impractical. And of course, then that follows on into art, literature, magazines, Asterix, great example, all this stylized sort of stuff. And it's misleading. So we have to fight and push back against that a little bit. Because the Roman army was not a machine, it wasn't a factory, everybody wasn't dressed exactly the same way, but the one thing we can guarantee is that for 99% of the time, they were dressed appropriately for the conditions in which they faced. At least they left that way. So a lot of Hollywood, a lot of this stuff that you see on TV, you've got to take with a big pinch of salt. It's designed to be cheap and quickly mass-produced, and it's almost giving us the image we expect to see, but not the image that perhaps reflects reality on the ground.